Welcome to IBM Cloud, your open, secure, and enterprise-ready cloud platform with over 350 unique products for you to start building the solutions that you need today. Just log in and you're ready to start building in the cloud. From the global navigation, you can explore how to get started with key technologies in IBM Cloud. Choose from technologies including serverless computing with functions, container-based deployments on Kubernetes or Red Hat OpenShift, and VPC infrastructure. Developers can start with API management tools, app development starter kits, DevOps toolchains, and more to expedite and automate your app development. You can get started creating resources through any of these guided journeys. Or, if you want to explore everything that IBM Cloud has to offer, go to the catalog to browse over 350 unique products. Choose from our broad portfolio of managed services, explore software products to take advantage of simplified installation, or consult with IBM Cloud experts. If you're just here to try us out, filter the catalog by products that offer light plans, which are free to use. When you're working in IBM Cloud, check out your dashboard to get a high-level overview of your account's resources, users, support cases, compliance monitoring, and usage, with quick links out to each area. You can tailor the information that's displayed to only what you need by creating custom dashboards and adding widgets for specific resources, team notes, management tasks, and more. For any account management tasks that you need to take care of, go to Manage, then Account. Here, you can create and manage your resource groups, Cloud Foundry orgs, create tags to organize resources, manage your account settings, and more. From the same Manage menu, you can go to Billing and Usage to view your usage, view invoices, and set spending notifications to help keep track of your costs. Then, through the Manage Access or IAM option, you can invite users to your account and manage their access to account resources, including IAM-enabled Cloud Foundry and classic infrastructure resources. In a connected world, security is more important than ever, and we've built it right into the platform. With the IBM Cloud Security and Compliance Center, you can set up a unified dashboard to monitor security and compliance, govern configuration, and gain insight into threats. If you prefer to work from the command line, you can manage your IBM Cloud account and resources right from your browser with IBM Cloud Shell. Just open Cloud Shell to start using the IBM Cloud CLI and tons of other plugins, tools, and runtimes with no installation needed. If you run into any questions as you're working in IBM Cloud, visit the Support Center, where you'll find FAQs and common tasks that can help you resolve your issue quickly without even having to contact IBM Cloud. However, if you do need to get in touch with us or open a support case, those options are also available to you. For in-depth information about how to get up and running in IBM Cloud, visit the docs. Explore key topics by use case, or browse through our library of tutorials that range from quick start guides to advanced solution tutorials. For more guidance, check out the full product docs or API and SDK reference libraries. Or browse our FAQ library to get answers to common questions about IBM Cloud's products and services. Now that you know how to navigate through the IBM Cloud user interface to get your account set up, create resources from the catalog, and find help through support and docs, it's time to get coding or building out your infrastructure.